Here's the solution for your MacBook speaker not sounding slow or one of the speaker is not working. Let's fix it and outline all possible walk-you-through steps to resolve the issue with the speaker not working on Mac. First, check the volume level on your Mac from the control center. Open the control center on your Mac from the top right corner and check the volume level slider. Also, ensure that the output speaker is correctly selected. To use the built-in MacBook speaker, select MacBook Air speaker from this list. For additional sound settings, go to the Apple logo from the top menu and open System Settings. Now, scroll to Sound on the left side of the window. And again, scroll to the Output and Input section. Select the output device that is up to you. For external Bluetooth or wired speakers, select them from here. To change or select a microphone, move to the Input tab and select your input device. Here are the audio balance settings for the Mac speaker and the external speaker. Keep this in the center position to balance the audio on your Mac. If the settings don't change or update, then try after restarting your Mac. From the top menu, select the Apple logo and then restart. Still not helpful? Then reset core audio using the terminal command. Open the terminal using the Spotlight search on your MacBook. Type this command on the screen, then hit the return key to run the command. Now, enter your Mac login password to verify and run the command successfully. This will restart the audio system on your MacBook. Ensure that you keep your macOS updated to the latest version. Check and update now before moving to the last solutions. Go to the Apple logo from the top menu, click on System Settings and scroll to General Options. Here's Software Update. Download and install pending macOS and check if the issue is resolved on your MacBook. Still, nothing helps then. The problem might be with the installed other third-party app. To diagnose the issue, start the MacBook in safe mode. First, shut down your Mac and wait for 10 seconds. Now, press and hold the power button until you see the startup volume and options appear on the screen. Select Macintosh HD. Press the Shift key on the keyboard. Pick the Continue in Safe Mode option. Now, your Mac will show a login screen with a SafeBook red label at the top right side of the window. That means your MacBook is in safe mode. Log into your MacBook and check if the issue is fixed now. That's it. To exit safe mode, restart your Mac normally. Go to the Apple logo from the top menu and restart. That's it. Still doesn't work? Then I recommend checking your MacBook warranty online. Get free repair or replacement at a nearby Apple store. Alternatively, you can call, chat, or email to contact support. The link is given in the video description. I hope you found this video with all the possible fixes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new video updates. Do you have any questions? Comment for more help.